Is StimulusFund.us really handing out $1,400 stimulus checks with no strings attached? Or is it just another online trap preying on people's hopes during difficult financial times? The moment we saw the promise of easy money, we knew it was worth a deeper look, and what we found was more than a little concerning. First off, the domain was only registered in 2025, which immediately raises suspicion, especially since the last real government-issued $1,400 stimulus checks were rolled out in 2021 and wrapped up by 2023. There is currently no active stimulus program in 2025, and no credible news or government sources have reported anything about new checks being distributed. StimulusFund.us has no affiliation with the IRS or any official government body, despite presenting itself like an authority. Instead of providing real claim information, the site redirects users to vague surveys, shady offers, and pages that collect personal data without any clear purpose. On top of that, there's a total lack of transparency, no company background, no contact information, and no terms or privacy policy that would give users a sense of security. We also checked major review platforms like Trustpilot and CityJobber, and unsurprisingly, there's no presence or feedback from any real users. This is a major red flag, as legitimate services tend to leave a digital footprint. We're not saying outright that StimulusFund.us is a scam, but when a site is offering something that sounds too good to be true, has no proof to back it up, and hides all the important details, it's smart to approach with serious caution. Don't let flashy headlines or urgent messages make you a victim. Watch this entire review and make sure you're informed before giving away any personal information.